Hello, teachers. Today we are going to talk about noise with the topics noise pollution problem in cities and how to deal with them. My group is seven, which includes three members. I'm the leader of the team. My full name is Hadizyep, and two others member of the team is Bùi Hương Giang and Hoàng Thị Ngọc Giang. As you can see on the screen, our presentation consists of two parts. We will discuss two major problems caused by noise pollution in city and two major solutions to deal with it. Every day we wake up to the sound of traffic, constructions, and even loud neighbors. Noise has become a normal part of modern city life. But what if this constant noise is slowly harming our health and how our quality of life? Many people think noise is just a normal part of city life, such as cars, constructions, people talking, but in fact, it can cause many serious problems for our health and for the environment. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the two main problems caused by noise pollution in city. First one is health and physics psychology's effect, and another one is decline in urban quality of life and the environment. The first problem is about our health and our mind. Noise pollution can make us sick in many ways. When we hear loud sounds all the time from traffic or construction, our body feels stressed. This can make our heart beat faster and our blood pressure go up. If this happens every day, it can lead to heart problems such as headaches or even hearing loss. The World Health Organization say that million of people around the world are at risk of losing their hearing because of too much noise, especially young people who live in busy cities or use headphones at a high volume. Additionally, noise also affects our sleep. People who live near airports, train stations, or noisy streets often cannot sleep well at night. Even a small sounds can wake them up. When we don't sleep enough, we feel tired, angry, and less focused the next day. If this continues for a long time, it can even make us depressed. Furthermore, noise pollution also cause mental problems. Too much noise can make people feel nervous, stressed, and easily angry. Students who study noise places often find it hard to concentrate, and workers in noisy offices may feel more tired and less productive. So noise pollution doesn't hurt our ears, it also hurts our bodies, our mind, and our daily life. The second problem is the bad effects on the quality of life and the environment. Cities should be a good place to live, work, and relax, but when the city is full of noise, life becomes stressful. We cannot enjoy quiet time or peaceful moments anymore. When there are too much noise, people often feel often close their windows, stay indoor, and talk less with their neighbors. This makes people feel more alone and less connected to others. So noise pollution can also break social relationship in the community. Furthermore, noise pollution also hurt animals. Many animals, like birds, use sounds to find food or call their friends. In noisy cities, they have to sing louder or move to quiet places. Some birds even leave the city completely. This changes the balance of natural in urban areas. And finally, noise pollution can cause economic problems. House or apartments near airports or big roads are usually cheaper because people don't want to live in noisy places. Tourists also prefer quiet places for relaxation, so noisy city can lose money from tourism. So as you can see, noise pollution is not just a small problem. It affects our health, our happiness, and our environment, and even the economies of a city if we don't take action. our city will become louder and more stressful, and the quality of life will continue to go down. The next part is of Hoàng Thị Ngọc Giang. Ngọc Giang, can you continue your presentation?
Yes, I can. Thank you, Diệp. Hello, my teacher, and hello, everyone. I am Ngọc Giang. Now, I would like to conclude my first solution. Noise pollution has become a serious problem in many modern cities. It affects people have work and daily life. To solve this problem, we need practical and long-term solution to up the most effective way to reduce noise pollution, urban planning and technology improvement. Noise pollution is one of the biggest environmental problem. Modern city it mainly like come from traffic, construction and factory. People who are exposed to loud sound for a long time can suffer from stress, hearing loss, and sleep problem. It also makes life in a big city uncomfortable and tiring because of this. Finding work and to control noise is very important to effective solution before urban planning and technology improvement, which can help make city quieter and more peaceful. Good urban planning can reduce noise pollution in many ways. City should build resident geo area far from main road and factory, planting more tree, green paths, and building sound barrier can help block and absorb noise. For example, some city use green band to save separate living and industrial zone. Besides that, modern technology also help electric vehicle makes less noise than gasoline car, and so rule material can reduce noise in a building. New construction machine and road surface are also designed to work more quietly. In conclusion, both urban planning and technology improvement are sustainable solution to noise pollution. If government plan city carefully and people support green technology, noise level will decrease. Together, we can build a city that are not only modern and convenient, but also peaceful, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now, please invite Hương Giang to give more opinion to the next solution. Invite Hương Giang.
Thank you, Ngọc Giang. Hello, everyone. My name is Bùi Hương Giang. I will talk about one of the biggest environmental problems in modern city, noise pollution. In this presentation, I will focus on two important solutions: public awareness and government regulation. Explain what both of the approaches are necessary if we want to create cleaner, quiet, and healthier city. First of all, noise pollution refers to unwanted or harmful sound that disturb people control health and daily activity. These sounds usually come from traffic, construction, factory, loudspeaker, and even everyday human behavior, such as shooting or playing music too loudly. In modern city, noise pollution has become so common that many people don't even notice it anymore. However, the effects are everyday. Long-term is poor, too low noise and cause stress, poor concentration, sleep problem, hearing loss, and in more serious case, noise also affects children learning ability and other people mental well-being. It reduces our productivity at work and makes city life more tiring because of all the negative impact it is extremely important that we noisy pollution and find effective way to reduce it. Let's begin with the first major solution, public aware. Many cities simply don't realize how dangerous noisy pollution. For many people, loud traffic or congestion, noisy is just a normal background sound in the city. This, this lack of awareness makes problem worse because people do not feel responsible for controlling point. Therefore, education is the key. School can include lessons about environmental presence, including noise pollution, and teach students how to behave politely in public place. When children learn good habits at a young age, they are more likely to become responsible adults in the future. Media platforms such as television and social media also play an important role. They can spread a simple but powerful message like protect your air, respect dry area, or noisy affect everyone. The message can reach millions of people in implied positive action. Community can also organize activities such as awareness workshop, quiet hall in residential neighborhoods, or campaign encourage people use so bicycle instead of motorbike, especially for short distance. My, by participating in the activity, people learn how small action can make big difference. When people may become more aware, they start changing big habits. For example, using headphones instead of loudspeaker, fixing noisy motorbike, closing doors centrally, or avoiding unnecessary honking. In other words, awareness builds responsibility, and responsible behavior helps create a more peaceful city. However, public awareness alone cannot solve the problem. This brings us to the second major solution: government regulation. Government have power to create law, enforce rules, and design city in way that reduce noise pollution. One important action the government can take is to set maximum sound limits for different areas. For example, residential area should be kept quiet, especially during night. Industrial zone can have a slightly higher limit, but factory must use soundproof technology if they product too much noise. If a busy factory or congestion site breaks that rule, it should verify or required to use predator equipment. When laws are enforced, the people and companies will take noise control more seriously. Government can also help reduce noise from transit. For example, they can improve public transport systems so fewer people need to use private vehicles. Urban planning is also a very important city with more green space, such as park, garden, tree, and natural where because plan have also solved. Another important government action is regular monitoring. Although in case that noisy meter busy area to measure sound level throughout the day. In addition, government should support research, information, and technology in noisy reduction, encourage in the development of trial machine, modern instruction method, and better soundproof material, and led to long-term environment in urban living conditions. To summary, both public awareness and government regularly necessary in want to effectively reduce noise pollution. Citizens must understand the problem and change their habit, while government must create and enforce strong laws that protect public health. Only when both sides work together can we create cities that are not only modern and activity but also peaceful and healthy. Inclusion, noise pollution may seem less visible and than other environmental problems like air or water pollution, but it affects us every day. Our sleep, our stress level, our hearing, and even our health. Thank you for listening.